some of the areas and roads out here are it's just empty. It's such a huge, beautiful land. Calcutta Station. We found one. We found a human. What a place. What a magical place. Okay, I am now in Blue Lake Ridge. This room, whilst not perfect, is really magical. It's mood setting. Got little flowers on the bed, beautiful spread. Proper mosquito net that's square rather than round. And those mood lights are really nice. A couple of chairs. This is really nice. I like it. And fridge. Goddamn fridge. Not bad TV. Right, where's the light switch here? That might be for something else. There you go. Right. Decent enough. Oh, look. Warm water. Oh, thank God. Okay. Nice. Like this a lot. And hopefully the service will be good as well. I know there's a swimming pool here. I'll explore the grounds in a little bit, but Blue Lake Ridge. Just gone to get in the pool. Actually feeling a little nervous. This pool is the perfect temperature for this humidity. Perfect. It's a real gem. This place is a real gem. If you see a monkey, pick yourself up and run. This travelling's a tough life, isn't it? I shouldn't fucking say that, because sometimes it really is tough, but the good times outweigh the bad times by 10. But it ain't all rainbows and unicorns, trust me. There are monkeys absolutely everywhere. There is a huge troop of them. And once you get your eye in, you can kind of spot them. Oh shit, here comes the rain. Okay, let's try and get my beer under cover. Right, oh no! Oh no, it's got my phone. It's my phone I'm worried about. Yeah, tough life. All tough life. Let's try and get under this chair a little bit. Okay. So it ain't sunny Sri Lanka, but it's beautiful Sri Lanka. Wow. Good, no, it's good. Good, I'm all good, thank you. Okay? Alright? Crazy English people. Crazy English people. Very happy. You know in Forrest Gump, he says it's that rain that comes in from there and that rain that comes up and hits you from down below. Love that rain. Love that rain. Monkeys are gone. You know what, I'll just give you a quick show around in the rain. Blue Lake Ridge. In probably what must be about 28 degrees heat. Humidity's up there, 80 plus. Infinity pool. There's the lake. There's about probably 150 monkeys watching me right now. Beautiful infinity pool. Coconuts, banana trees, just absolutely everything. It's heaven. And that's my room. Okay, we've got the whole troop up here now. So, as you can see, I'm fully kitted out. Got the backpack, got the camera out, all ready to go into town, do some shopping, some essential shopping, bit of filming, and yeah. Striking range. I mean, it's heavy. I'm going to quickly try and get to the larger bit without getting drowned. It's fucking this heavy rain. Right, here we go. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, people talking. Oh. Hey, heavy rain. Ooh. So, here we have the swimming pool, looking mildly moist. It runs quick. Here is the beautiful, stunning blue lake, more like misty lake right now. And here's my host, Padma. So yeah, so that's my plan at the moment, Scarford, because the camera I got is not any good for rain, any type of inclement weather. So I'm going to be here at least a little bit until it dies. See ya. Right, Blue Lake Ridge. This is where you have breakfast in the morning. It is huge. It is ridiculous. It should feed a family of 4 for one person. And this is where we were watching monkeys, literally watching us and playing on this tree. What an incredible place. Blue Lake Ridge. You must come here.